The sections of the gazebo floor have been pre-assembled during manufacturing. Each floor section has been marked with either letters or numbers that should be matched up to ensure a perfect fit. Lay out the floor sections according to the markings on each section. Make sure the corners and the decking surfaces are even. Use two 10 by 2.5 inch zinc screws at each missing floorboard to attach the floor sections together. Attach the floorboards with 8 by 2 inch stainless steel screws using the same pattern as nails in the attached floorboards. Pre-drill the holes for the screws. Fasten the floor center with 8 by 2 inch stainless steel screws, inserting one screw in each corner. Each post has a pencil mark that should be aligned with the surface of the decking. Fasten the posts to the floor with one 10 by 3 inch stainless steel screw at each corner. Use only one screw to fasten each post until the handrails are fastened. Make sure that both ends of the handrail are down against the floorboards, and then attach all the handrails to the posts with 8 by 2 inch stainless steel screws. After all the handrails are attached, fasten the upper rails to the posts. The bottom of the horizontal rail piece should be 74 inches above the surface of the floorboards. After all the rails are attached, put the remaining screws through the baseboards into the posts. Put one roof section into place using a sturdy prop to support the center. The approximate height of the roof can be determined by matching the rafter to the angle of the post that it rests on. Fasten the prop to the inside of the rafter. Pre-drill the holes for the screws into the side of the rafters approximately every 16 inches. Start the 10 by 2.5 inch zinc screws approximately every 16 inches before putting up the next roof section. Make sure that the outside corners are even before fastening the sections together. If the last roof section is not against the rafters on each side, the center prop may need to be raised slightly. A bar clamp or a C-clamp can be used to bring the roof sections together if needed. After the roof is together, fasten it to the posts. Put shims between the rafter and the rail end trim, using a pry bar to shift the post and the roof if necessary. If space between the post and the end trim is too narrow to allow for a shim on each side of the post, then put only one shim on the side of the post that has the most room. Pre-drill the holes for the screws into the top of the post. Fasten the roof to the posts using 4 10 by 2.5 inch zinc screws at each post. 2 screws go through the post and into the bottom of the rafters, and 1 screw on each side goes through the end trim and into the side of the rafter. Pre-drill 4 holes in the roof center. Start 4 8 by 2 inch stainless steel screws in the roof center before attaching it into the ceiling of the gazebo. Open the pack of cedar capping and separate all of the left and right caps. Start with the pair of caps that have an angle cut on the bottoms, the thickest end of the cap, and attach them to the roof with fasteners of your choice. Install the cedar capping over the seam where the roof sections meet, being careful to align the bottom of the ridge caps with the existing shingles. Pre-drill 4 holes in the cupola base. Start 4 10 by 3 inch stainless steel screws in the cupola base. While safely tethered, attach the cupola to the gazebo roof. Be sure to align the corners of the cupola with the peaks of the cedar capping. The top row of caps has an angle cut to match the corner of the cupola. The cut part of the caps should be against the cupola as you finish each row. Put your favorite chair into your gazebo and spend the rest of your day enjoying the gazebo that you assembled.